Okay, now what are you going to do? We need to turn around.
I'm going to go forward and swing around the other bale.
Just go all the way around that way. Yeah, that's good. Don't want it back. I mean, that's big. It's telling it's stuck up Gary's butt.
Yeah, that's what it's saying.
Yeah, the PTO's up Gary's butt right now.
PTO is up Gary's butt.
Yeah, it's up my butt. That's why the dash light's on.
I don't think we brought any Vaseline for that.
Okay, try not to take out the tree.
We'll try not to take out the tree.
Okay.
We'll try not to take out the wife because I can't see her.
Well, Betty can get out of the way. Don't worry about her.
Oh, there she is. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, where are we going with this? Then?
Okay, now, you're doing fine. Better cut it. We're going to go through that fence.
Oh,
there.
over there. Okay.
See, there's the bale.
I see.
What do you call it?
Feeder.
Feeder. Bale feeder.
At this point, we go ahead and drive right through the barbed wire gate.
I'll get out and open it for you. Okay. So don't go anywhere without me.
Okay.
No, I'm not kidding. You can drive it through there on your own. Well, what do you think so far? My little microphone-y thingy's falling off here. There. So far we've survived. Okay, folks, he's going to tackle this on his own here. Ah, no, go this way, go that way, go this way. Okay, you can bring the truck around and follow us. Did you see the feeder? It's right around there. It's that green thing.
Okay.
That's good right there. Okay, why don't you go ahead and just tilt it down first. That's good. Now open up your grapple. That's good right there. Let's cut the cords off of it. No, back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. All right. Good job, man. You get an A+. Let's cut the cords off the bale now. Didn't he do a good job?
That's great. I can't believe it.
First time.
Yeah.
Yeah. He didn't roll the tractor either. Okay, I should have a knife in here. Yep, I do. In case you get out of line.
Cut my nuts off.
I just cut these cords off of here. Like that. And make sure you get them all. Otherwise, you're going to be getting your knife back out. That's no big deal. And just take those cords, pull them all together, and then pull them. He's always smoking a damn cigarette.
Good stuff.
But take them all and pull them out. You don't want to leave these down. They get tangled into the cattle's feet and stuff. I mean, it takes years for this stuff to deteriorate. And the more you can wad it together, the better, or you're going to make a job out of it.
I'm going to make a job out of it.
You can make a job out of it.
Yeah. What I'm here. Make a job out of it.
Okay. I mean, if you forget one, if you don't get one once in a while, it's okay, but you want to pretty much get them all. All right. The idea here is, see, this is a new feeder that we've got. And so far it's working out pretty good. But we need to get the bale over the top and set it in. And try not to damage the feeder.
Okay, I got this end.
I mean, if you get in the camera over here, man.
All right.
Yeah.
You want me to grab this end? Okay. I'll grab this end. You grab the other end. Daddy, he might need a hand over there.
Anyway, the last time I put a bale in here, I experimented. I've already ran one bale through it, and we put it in just like that, and the cattle were having trouble getting the hay off of the bale because it was kind of bunched in there between the chains. So what we want to do is set the bale and put it in like that. So this will be the bottom, and that'll be the top. Vice versa, it doesn't matter.
Gotcha.
Okay? So what we...
Right there. Bottom.
I've never tried this before because it, you know, if you don't have it really tight in that grapple, it could fall out on you.
Yep.
So what the idea is to come over here and grab it this way,
right,
and get it real tight, as deep as you can get it, and then we'll raise it up and get it over on top. And that way, if it slips out, it's no big deal. It should just fall in there, you know. But we want to get it up there and don't hit this with the tractor, it'll bend it up.
Right.
So come in and just slowly, and then when we get it into place, then you'll just release the bale. You want to try it on your own there? I can guide you with the radio. You think it'll work?
We hope so.
Now you folks at home, you're going to do this every day, right? Okay, get lined up. Okay, hold it. Let's do something here. Paul, let's get it into really, really low gear. That way you're not going to run over the thing by accident because you're not used to running the tractor. So put it in A. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, now remember, line it up really good. Okay, you're looking good. Now, remember what I told you about the bucket? Put it down and level it out with that piece of tape. Going the wrong way. Tilt your, yeah, there you go. Okay, now go all the way down with your bucket. No, not the tilt, the bucket. Bring it all the way down to the ground. I think you're good there. Now go ahead and go into it. Wait. Tilt your bucket back a little bit. You're too far. This is too funny. Tilt it back. Ah, now down. Now down. Okay. Bring it in. Ah, somehow your bucket came up. Go back a little bit. Oh, right there. Now go down with your bucket. Cool, perfect. Now grab her down good. All right, that's good. Okay, tilt it down just a little bit. No, tilt. Okay, go up a little bit higher and tilt it down. Okay, you're doing good. Go a little higher and tilt it down some more. Go up a little higher. All right, he gets an A+.